In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Klarna payment details for 2025, step by step. Whether you're looking to change your card details or update your bank account information, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Klarna website and seek out the customer service section. There, you'll find a specific guide titled, "How can I add, remove, or change my card or bank account?" This section is where you'll get all the necessary options to manage your existing payment methods. To update your card details, you'll first need to go to the mentioned guide. Once there, look for the section dedicated to managing card information. This section will provide a simple way to change card details securely. You'll find a link guiding you to manage your card details. Clicking on this link will take you to the relevant section in your Klarna account. Now direct your attention to the payment methods section. Here you can choose to either add a new card or modify the details of a card that you've already saved. If you wish to add a new card, it's as simple as tapping Add Card. If you're opting to update an existing card, you can select it, and then you have the option to make it your primary card, or if needed, completely remove it. It's important to remember that when you add a new card, a temporary authorization hold might be placed. This is a standard measure to verify the card, and it will be resolved typically within 5 to 7 business days. So no worries there, it's just a temporary step. Now switching focus to updating bank account details. Much like updating card details, you'll need to navigate back to the same customer service section. Here, find the segment that explains how to adjust your bank details. You've already been through these steps for your card, so it should feel familiar. Again, head to the payment methods in your Klarna account. This time, you'll be looking to connect a bank account. Tap on Connect a Bank Account to add it. If there's an existing account you wish to remove or replace, those options will also be available. Please note that for both cards and bank accounts, Klarna takes security very seriously, so any changes might require additional verification. Stay patient through this as it ensures your payment methods remain secure and your details are adequately protected. And there you have it, your Klarna payment details updated with ease. Ensure to follow each step carefully to have a hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video as often as needed to guide you through updating your payment information.